नमस्कार, मैं हूं हर्षवर्धन और आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज़ एनसीआर। आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं स्टूडियो में आन पराशर, जो फरीदाबाद शहर में एक जाना माना नाम है, जो चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट के तौर पर बहुत सालों से काम कर रही हैं। आज हम उनसे बातचीत करेंगे और उनसे जानेंगे उनके सिलसिले के बारे में। हाल ही में आन को अटल सम्मान से सम्मानित किया गया है। इस मुलाकात में हम उनसे मुखातिब होंगे और जानेंगे उनके सिलसिले करियर के बारे में। आन, आपको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ अटल सम्मान के लिए और हमारे स्टूडियो में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे आपने एक्टिंग की इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से ली एंड हाउ यू स्टार्टेड योर करियर?
See, at the age of 5, I started giving stage performances, but that was for dance. Slowly and gradually, when I was giving stage performances, I got an exposure. And I was asked to audition for a documentary film.
Okay.
So that was for the first time and I was really nervous, obviously. Then I gave the audition for that particular documentary, which was named as Meri Beti Mera Gurur. So first film and Beti, the role was for me, the lead role. And the auditions, first audition for the first theatre film. Very nervous, but yeah, got auditioned and then performed in the documentary film, and then slowly and gradually, liking my skills, maybe, touch wood, I got more and more exposure. Until date, I have done approximately 6 documentary films and 1 feature film.
Yeah. So how was your experience working with senior actors or junior actors, और मतलब बड़े बड़े लोगों के साथ आप काम कर रही हैं, तो आपका तजुर्बा, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
Talking about the first time, obviously one feels nervous because there are so many big people like Shiva Kumar sir, very, I'll say, experienced actor, performed in many shows, performed in many films, and I am getting a chance to literally act with him. He's in front of me. Very calm actor. You get to know many things. You know how to face the camera. You get to know how to deliver the dialogues. You know how to carry yourself when you are standing, when you are sitting. You have to not seen to the camera. There are many things, and I'll not say that the person who is experienced is always very bossy. He was very calm. He actually explained me every single thing like the director was doing. So experience was really good, and slowly and gradually working with Manoj Bakshi sir, very experienced actor, worked with Salman Khan sir. He was also very calm. You get to know many things. How you, even if you see him delivering the dialogues, you will be like, how can someone be so natural? And then you try to copy them. So there are many things which they teach you and which you automatically learn.
अभी आप आन स्कूल में पढ़ रही हैं. In which class are you studying, or how do you feel when your people, your friends, your relatives treat you like a celebrity?
So I'm in 11th standard. So whenever like you step into the school, there are people calling you, oh, see, actress, and you know, it feels good but nervous at the same time because we know that the expectations are getting higher and higher. We don't know what our next movie or our next ad or anything, next project will be, and people are expecting a lot. Secondly, the family members with support, they even expect many things, and they also expect me to stay grounded. So yeah, it's difficult. You have to sometimes even go with the hate. Sometimes maybe it's jealousy or what, but yeah, there is more of support. The friends support you, like they tell you what was my mistake, you did this thing wrong, you could do this like in another way. So yeah, it feels really good that yeah, people are getting to know me. They smile when I'm passing by, so it makes me happy that yeah, people are happy watching me on screen.
जब आपने शुरू किया तो आपको कहाँ से प्रेरणा मिली कि मुझे आर्टिस्ट बनना है? बिकॉज एट अ वेरी यंग एज पीपल डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू इन देयर करियर. तो आपको कहाँ से ये प्रेरणा मिली कि मुझे आर्टिस्ट बनना है, मुझे चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट एज अ बतौर काम शुरू करना है?
See, it is a very different thing. My whole family belongs to education society. Being my dad a principal, my mom a teacher. So it was my grandmother's dream to teach that I should learn dance. At the age of 4.5, I was sent to a dance class, and from there I went for a show when I was 5. And nobody was expecting anything. It was just like, I'm learning dance, so let me perform in front of people. Let people see how I perform. If there are any mistakes, it was just for fun. There was nothing like
competition.
It was nothing a competition. But suddenly when after that I got the award I got a certificate for that. Then I was called for the next program. It was a very new thing. It is still a new thing for us because no one has experienced it in my family.
Yeah.
But the beginning was when my grandmother took me to the dance class. And from there, slowly and gradually, I stepped into a different line of theatre, and now I'm doing it, and hopefully I'll do it further.
अभी तक आप कौन कौन सी फिल्म कर चुकी हैं, कौन कौन सी डॉक्यूमेंट्री शूट कर चुकी हैं, और व्हाट आर द प्रोजेक्ट्स विच आर इन योर पाइपलाइन?
So I started with Meri Beti Mera Gurur, as I mentioned. So after that, I was assigned for Durga, which is also a movie. So all my movies are basically slogan based.
Okay.
Like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Hindu Muslim Ekta, or Dowry. The main thing, Dahej, which is a very common thing right now.
Yeah.
So I work on projects which actually give a slogan to people, because see, social media is now everything. For people. Yeah. Reels on Instagram, be it YouTube, anything. You post anything on the social media and it gets viral. So that was my thing, that I have to get into this line, but for these slogans and stuff, which people are just taking it so lightly. So that is what I actually am doing it for, so that even I understand many things. The dowry thing, the story was so good. And then after that, I got signed for Pulwama attack movie.
Okay.
A very beautiful movie. So these, I do all slogan based movies. So yeah, hopefully the future projects, I cannot disclose them.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't reveal them. But yeah, there are a few things which are going to come up soon. I'll say in March or April.
ओके जैसे कि हम कहते हैं, जब हम एक्टिंग को पढ़ते हैं, बारीकी न्यूआंसेस पढ़ते हैं एक्टिंग के, तो वो जब बनाया जाता है, कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट करके एक चीज़ होती है, मेथड एक्टिंग होती है, जो एक बड़ा वाइडर टर्म है, और इंसान अपने तजुर्बों से एक्ट करता है, इनएक्ट करता है, तो और आपकी ये छोटी है. सो हाउ यू प्रिपेयर योर कैरेक्टर? गिव सम ग्लिम्स टू आवर व्यूअर्स.
Actually, when I'm talking about Manoj Bakshi sir.
जी.
He was shooting and I was just standing and watching him, as he's my father, and the next shoot will be mine, as I'm acting as her daughter. There was a scene in which he has to cry, but first he has to be normal.
No.
And he suddenly starts crying without glycerine. Now that was a thing, I was like, I cannot do this. I'm not into it that I can suddenly start crying. So these are the things which come from experience. He's such an experienced actor that he can get into that character so well that he'll start, give that emotion in his face, he'll start crying, then he'll stop, then he'll sob, and that was so good. And that's how when you learn. Like if I'm delivering a dialogue, suddenly I looked into the camera. That's the wrong thing. I'll watch sir, he will not at all look into the camera. So that's the thing, you learn from an experienced actor. So that is a very good thing. Working with an experienced actor, you learn a lot. And talking about my experience, I have done 4 to 5 documentaries. I still have to learn a lot.
Yeah.
There are many things which I have to learn, because documentaries, small films, 20 to 25 minutes. When you work for like feature films, you have to like shoot for a month or more, and you don't know what to do. You get irritated sometimes.
Yeah, exactly.
Patience, many things which people don't even think that an actor requires in himself or herself. So yeah, there are many things which I need to literally gain, but I can say that I have gained a little bit from all the experienced actor till date.
Nice. एक चीज़ और, जैसे आपको अटल सम्मान मिला और आप फरीदाबाद शहर की पहली ऐसी बाल कलाकार हैं जिसको कला के क्षेत्र में अटल सम्मान मिला है, तो कैसा आपका अनुभव रहा? कुछ साझा करिए हम लोगों के साथ.
जी देखिए, वहाँ पर जब कदम रखते हैं आप इतने एक भवन में, जो एक वैसे तो ये संसद भवन में होता है, पर इस बार विज्ञान भवन में हुआ था. आप वहाँ एंटर करते हैं, द वाइब इज डिफरेंट. So many educated people, like Manoj sir. Manoj sir was present there. The people from BJP party, and it's like so tremendous. And everybody is bigger than me there. I have to learn from every single person, even the one who is hosting or anchoring, who is doing anything on the stage, even the one who is just delivering a speech. I have to learn everything: how to speak in front of people, how to sit in front of people. There are many things to learn. And when you get to know that you are the youngest at that point, you have to like stay so calm, composed, and everyone should feel that yeah, she is good. And secondly, to make everyone feel that yeah, I deserve that award. That's the most important thing there. That people think age matters, that you are just this much, how can you get this? it's just that, like I told, working on slogans, spreading the slogans, that these are the things. And there when I got the award, very beautiful, such a moment, receiving a prize from Manoj sir with all the, I'll say, the Brahmins who were standing and chanting the mantras. Whole thing which was so like, rituals were happening, tika, then mala, then shawl, everything.
It was a ceremony.
It was a proper ceremony, and for me it was for the first time watching all this, being so young. But it was a very good, I'd say, a very good experience. And when you come home and when people say that, yeah, our sister has got this award, or our friend has got the award, it feels nice that, yeah, I'm the first one in Faridabad to get this award, and that too in this age. Many more things to come. This like literally provokes me for that.
जी, आखिरी सवाल के साथ हम इस सिलसिले को बंद करते हैं, ख़त्म करते हैं। ख़त्म कहना तो ठीक नहीं रहेगा, बट वाइंड अप करना सही रहेगा। जो भी दर्शक अभी हमें देख रहे हैं और चाहते हैं लोग कि चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट बनना, एक्टिंग के करियर में जाना, इट्स ए टफ डील, तो आप उन लोगों को क्या सलाह देते हैं, क्या आप उन्हें मशवरा देना चाहेंगे कि वो कैसे इस करियर में अपना करियर बना सकते हैं, इस फील्ड में उतर सकते हैं?
जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं सबके पेरेंट्स से बोलना चाहूँगी कि अपने बच्चों में पहले तो भेदभाव ना करें। फर्स्ट थिंग, वी नो दैट स्टिल इन मैनी प्लेसेस दिस थिंग इज हैपनिंग, सो स्टॉप दैट। Even I am a girl, and my father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, everyone, like, they cannot, grandfather and grandmother cannot come to the places as they're very old. They'll call me, is everything done? Is everything good? And the same, when my brother is shooting, they'll call them, everything is good. Don't even think that a girl cannot do what a guy can do.
Exactly.
So my father, he stands with me every time. If I'm going on the stage, he'll be like, yes, you can do it. Do this to your children. I never knew what I'm going to become. I never started dancing on my own. I never went to the dance class on my own. Send your students, like, you just catch their nerve that they can perform, they can do.
Exactly.
Put confidence into them, like, yes, you can go on the stage, go perform. This is the thing. Don't even think that a girl cannot reach a level of a guy. First thing. And if that's not a thing, for the children I would like to say, be patient, be calm, think about your dreams, think what you're going to do in your future. And then fourth and the most important thing, stay rooted to the ground. If you have performed on the stage, don't feel like, yeah, I have performed on the stage, now no one can match my level. Never. Just always think I'm nothing. It's just God's grace which has brought me here, actually.
Exactly.
So this is the thing which I'll say to the children, actually, who want to become something. Go in any field. Every field has like many small lines coming out of everything. So be it in theatre, dancing, education, anything, just step forward with confidence. Confidence is the key. And to the parents, again, just send your child. Be with them forever. Stand by their side that, yeah, we are with you, we are behind you, we are with you. Everything is done. Everything will be like very smooth, and by God's grace, everything will be done.
थैंक यू। जैसा आन ने कहा, हमने इनसे मुलाकात की, बातचीत की, स्टूडियो में इनका दोबारा से बहुत बहुत इस्तकबाल करते हैं, आपका धन्यवाद। और हमने इनसे मुखातिब हुए और इन्होंने बताया कि ज़मीन से जुड़ा रहना इंसान के लिए बेहद ज़रूरी है। आन को अभी इतनी कम उम्र में अटल सम्मान से सम्मानित किया गया है। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि अभी बहुत सारे, ढेर सारे सम्मान इन्हें मिलेंगे और ये ऐसे ही कार्यरत रहेंगी अपने क्षेत्र में। ईश्वर से यही कामना करते हैं। न्यूज़ NCR के इस खास प्रोग्राम में बस इतना ही। धन्यवाद।